Kia ora koutou. Welcome to part 7 of the Kaupapa Ako video series. In this video, we'll be looking at some kupu pāngarau maths words. I've divided this video into 4 kaupapa: ngā pāheko, operations; ngā tau whakahau, rational numbers, which includes fractions, decimals and percentages; āhuahanga, geometry; and ininga, measurement. Let's start with the 4 main mathematical operations: addition, tāparitanga; subtraction, tangohanga; multiplication, whakareatanga; and division, whakawehinga. I've added in the words for add, subtract, multiply and divide as well. The answers now. The answer of an addition question is a tāpeke or sum. In a subtraction question is the huatango or difference. The answer of a multiplication question is the product or otunga. And the answer for a division question is the quotient or huawehe. Our 3 types of rational numbers now: koutou, fractions; koutou ngahuru, decimals or koutou aira; and oro, percentages. I've included the words here for numerator and denominator as well because I think they're pretty awesome. A great way to remember the parts of a fraction: taurunga, or literally the number above, is the numerator, and tauraro, the number below, is our denominator. Here's a few different fraction words. You'll notice the pattern here and how the words are put together with the kupu hau, and then the number representing the number of parts in the fraction. For example, haurua is a half, hautoru is a third, etc. There's a few different ways to express a tenth, and I've added them all here as well. He miharo rawa tū te reo Māori. This language is just amazing, and if you ask me, I think maths makes a lot more sense in te reo Māori. Some other kupu related to fractions are koutou orite, equivalent fractions; koutou aira, decimal fractions; and ngā koutou nui ake te kotahi, which is literally translated to fractions greater than 1, or improper fractions. Some kupu related to percentages now: paiheneti or oro, which can be both used for percent. When we want to say the percentage of something, we just blend it with the number. Some examples here: kore paiheneti, 0%; tekau paiheneti, rua tekau paiheneti, and so on. If you prefer using oro, there's some examples of that here too. The next kaupapa pāngarau is geometry, starting with some basic shapes. The way the words are put together is tapa, meaning side, and then the number of sides the shape has. So a 4-sided shape is a tapa whā. A square is a tapa whārite, the word rite meaning the same. Tapa toru is a 3-sided shape or a triangle, and a tapa toru rite, an equilateral triangle, and all the sides are the same. So that's pretty much how the words for shapes work in te reo Māori. Here's a few more examples, and a couple of 3D shapes just for fun. A sphere is a poi, a cube is a mataono, literally translated as 6 faces, and a pyramid is a koeko. The last kaupapa in this video is about measurement, or ininga. Many of the words in this topic are transliterations from the English, where te reo Māori sounds have been applied to English words. And here's a few examples. An interesting fact: in traditional times, there are kupu Māori for measurements that were used in pre-European times. There are different terms for various measurements using parts of the body and hands. So there you have it. Some pretty amazing kupu to help us understand maths concepts in Te Reo Māori a little bit better. I hope you find these kupu as interesting as I do. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Kia ora.